The check emission system warning in your Honda Civic indicates a problem with one or more components of your vehicle's emission control system. This emission control system is designed to reduce harmful pollutants released into the atmosphere, protecting both air quality and public health. This warning affects roughly 15 to 20% of Honda Civics annually, with significantly higher rates in vehicles exceeding 100,000 miles. The most common cause is faulty oxygen sensors, responsible for 60% of emission warnings. These sensors monitor the air-fuel mixture and typically cost $200 to $400 to replace. Catalytic converter issues are another major cause, with replacement costs ranging from $800 to $1,500. These components convert harmful gases into less toxic emissions. EVAP system malfunctions involve the fuel vapor recovery system, with repair costs typically ranging from $150 to $600. Mass airflow sensor problems round out the common causes, costing $250 to $400 to fix. Ignoring this warning can lead to poor fuel economy, failed emissions tests, and potential damage to other vehicle components. Early diagnosis and repair are essential to prevent costly problems. There are three main methods to reset the check emission system warning. The first method uses an OBD2 scanner to clear error codes directly from your vehicle's computer. The second method involves disconnecting your car's battery. This clears the vehicle's computer memory, but requires careful handling of battery terminals. For 2020 and newer Honda Civic models, there's a specific ECU reset procedure that uses the ignition switch in a timed sequence. Before attempting these reset methods, understand that the warning light will return if the underlying emission system problem isn't actually fixed. These resets only clear the computer's memory temporarily. Regular maintenance is your best defense against emission system problems. Proper maintenance and cleaning can reduce emission issues by 65%, making it far more effective than attempting DIY repairs after problems occur.